New Zealand wool is the hot new flavour at coffee giant Starbucks. It's signed up a New Zealand company to create a new fabric for its seats that's a mix of coffee sacks and kiwi wool. As Europe correspondent Kim Chisnell reports, they're calling the new blend WoJo.
First they brought us the Frappuccino. Now Starbucks has a new blend in store, WoJo. The brainchild of Wellington company the Formary, WoJo isn't a drink, but a fabric.
We take Starbucks coffee sacks, the fibre is recovered through a recycling process and it's blended with wool. The wool is then spun and then woven.
The process is known as upcycling, converting waste material into a product of better quality, in this case from a sack to upholstery.
We're the biggest supplier of fair trade coffee in the world, so we use a mammoth amount of sacks to be able to recycle those sacks and to get another life out of them and to tell a true and genuine story about sustainability. We're so excited to be partnering with the Formery on this.
Not only is WoJo designed by New Zealanders, it's made up of 70% New Zealand wool. London's Savile Row was turned into a sheep pen today as part of UK Wool Week, an event aimed at making wool fashionable again.
Once we have the fashion, then we have the demand for wool, and then we have the natural benefits of wool that synthetic fibres will never ever be able to compete with. Wool is natural, wool is biodegradable.
It's that sustainability that attracted Starbucks to WoJo. They are testing the fabric at a London store to see if it can cope with the punishment from the flock.
Most Starbucks stores open at 6:30 in the morning and close late in the day, so we get a lot of people through our doors.
If it stands up to the test, it will be gradually rolled out across Europe and then the rest of the world.
Every one of these chairs uses the wool from one New Zealand sheep. So if Starbucks rolls out the fabric globally, that's chairs for over 16,700 stores. That's a lot of coffee sacks and a lot of wool. Kim Chisnell, London, 3 News.